Okay, so we left off with the ISP being configured through Ansible. We are now going to approach the breakout router 1 and the breakout router 2. So let's get going with that. Not this one. So duplicate this file. Okay. So some of this we can actually just go and copy straight from the other module. So let's just go there quickly and copy the majority of this. We want to save the configuration. The host name is going to be the host name. This is going to target the VR1 device. The interface is also going to be the management interface. This, however, is going to change. We'll fix this now. Gigabit Ethernet LAN, yes. IP addresses are going to change. There's going to be no interface with DHCP on here. Simulating static connections. Let's go and configure that. So we have management going up into this environment, management going there. We've got the first uplink and uplink. And then we've got one, let's go with first downlink is here. Downlink going there. While we are here, we might as well just hook these two up. We're not going to start them or configure them right now, but this should be good enough. Start. Okay, console and console. Now remember what we said in the previous video, that in order for you to gain access to these devices, they need to be reachable from an automation perspective. Let's copy all of this quickly and put it onto here, and this becomes BR2. So according to our file, BR1 and BR2's IP addresses. So BR2 which we are on, is going to be 3. And this is also going to be 3. We'll just verify the interfaces there. Let's just do this quickly. This is 2 and 2. On BR, that's gig 01 and gig 01. So this has to change, that has to change. Gig 01 stays WAN, and gig 02 and 03, BR02, BR03 is LAN facing. So copy 02 and 03. Okay, there's that. We haven't specified the IP addressing for 02 and 03 just yet. So this will now change to modified. And config will be saved. Okay. I think this is pretty much a good start. Now we just need to make sure that we can first connect to these devices. So let's go there and there. T. Okay. We want to create our crypto. Okay, do right. Do right. This is just a general copy-paste script that I'm using to do base configurations. I actually need to add to this. So underneath there is int pi0/0 no shut ib add then .10.103 according to that's yes. Right. Do ping 10.0.0.1. Okay, great. Go back to here. Go to our inventory file and say we do not have an inventory for this yet. So Okay, save. Go back here. Yes. Admin. Enable admin. Okay, let's go. That was this one. I found that sometimes in this lab environment it doesn't always save the enable password, so then I just have to come back and say enable secret admin and do right. There we go. See, it's a weird little bug, but it doesn't really bother us from what we're trying to do. Okay, so ping 03, get the ARP entry, great. SSH, get the key, yes, admin, enable, same thing. Enable secret admin. There we go. Exit. Okay, now we're going to run the Ansible playbook on BR1 and then BR2 if everything goes well. Okay, so we got stuff coming in. Host names being configured. There is a change. Overriding device configuration. Brief. One of these is having a problem. Let's see if we just run it again, if it will fix itself. Nope. Okay, let's do a merged. That's probably the problem here. Okay, there we go. Okay, great. That looks fine. Ping 172.16.0.1. Here we go. Do the same for BR2. Show IP brief. Great. Okay, so now we've got connectivity on up to this section. Now we're going to start slightly increasing a bit of complexity when we're going down to the core. We'll come back and do routing in time. So let's do this.